Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today we're looking at a new project called LPI Finance. Now, I wish I had found this a couple of weeks ago because the whitelist for this closes in 12 hours. And if I had found it a couple of weeks ago, we could have done a much thorough review on this. But nevertheless, we are going to try and get this out today. So what is LPI? Well, LPI DAO is an innovative investment project backed by true value. They claim that it is the first of its kind, offering a unique investment opportunity to the market, an index fund for investors to capitalize on the growth and success of the Launchpad market in the easiest and most efficient way possible. And this will be powered by a single token to earn profits from the success of top ranking and new launchpads. Investors who would like to take part in a multiple launchpads and IDO sales can but cannot gain access to all due to lack of funds, knowledge, or time. This is the solution to that. The high opportunity costs, technical complexities, and time constraints create a barrier to entry for many investors. And that's simply dead on accurate. So look at what you're essentially getting in with this is, think of it as an investment fund. You buy the token, you become part of the fund, and you benefit from the rewards of that fund, whether it be from a long-term perspective or whether it's getting in on the initial offerings of these new companies. And they've broken down the sequence of that very simply here. Invest is step one. You buy the LPI tokens to start earning. The launchpads. LPI invests in launchpads on multiple blockchains. And this is the revenue. This is the thing you want to be looking at. The LPI fund earns from pre-sales and IDOs. And step four is growth. And that is earning from all the launchpads and scaling up your investments. Now, as you can see, multiple networks. Tron, ETH, Cardano, Polygon, BSC, all the big ones. Polkadot, all the big ones. So any project coming onto these, which will be invested by LPI Finance, will give you a little share of the revenue. Now, one of the issues with things like these, or projects like this, is the transparency. You never know where your investment is going. And luckily enough, LPI Finance understand that this is a big issue. And as they say themselves, this is an aspect of the fund that they have prioritized. So future developments down the road, this is a very new project, but down the road, the LPI website will provide investors with access to the portfolio insights. And so you'll be allowed to see all investments of the fund. Another aspect of this is the wealth growth. The fund's success is not limited to the coin value of the launchpad, only as it is afforded to the precious opportunity of participating in all IDO sales on these launchpads. And this serves as an additional stream of revenue. So you're looking at long-term growth in the projects also. Now, LPI coin holders, obviously you'll have to be a holder to get involved in this. When it comes to the LPI community, the enrichment of all holders is the primary objective of LPI. And to achieve this, the mechanisms will be utilized for holders of the LPI token to gain additional benefit aside from the appreciation of the base value of the token. So, yes, let's say the token goes up, you reap the rewards for that, but there's going to be other benefits to holding the token. Now, these implementations will be realized once the fund reaches a determined threshold. So, like I said, down the line, there's going to be more than one revenue source here. So, as you scroll down further here, it'll tell you how LPI works. Obviously, by investing in launchpads, IDO sales, and reinvestments into previous projects or investments that have paid off. They do have a little pitch deck here. They do have their LPI strategy all laid out. I just do not have time to go through all of them right now. So LPI as a DAO. So it will be community driven. LPI will be built taking into account the input of the community. The decision-making process, you will have an input in that also. Obviously, the reward program and fund resources. Allocation of resources has a great impact on the fund, and investors should vote on these matters. So they're going to have a nice community say on things here. Now, if you're wondering about the LPI token, it will be made available to investors on both the ETH and BSC network. The LPI token will be listed and available on Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Personally, at the moment, I'm favoring PancakeSwap. Obviously, the ETH network is probably the most popular one, but these guys have identified and are aware of the fact that transaction fees are going to have a significant impact on whether people get involved or not. Hence, why they will be using the BSC network also. And the fund will invest on both ETH and BSC networks. Down here you got your list of partners. Token sale. This is the most important thing. This is why I was in a hurry to get this out right. Seed sale was on June 4th this year. $337,000 raised. The private sale finished on the 15th. Now the public sale closes, the whitelisting for that closes today. Tokens for sale will be total 2.7 million out of a grand supply of 10 million tokens. The token symbol is LPI. And further down here we go into the LPI sale allocation, how it's all broken down. Roadmap down at the bottom here, and as you can see, December 2020 these guys start. The concept was formulated and they have made a lot of progress in a very short space of time. Now, like anything and like projects that are worth investing in, you got to be looking at the bigger picture and long-term picture. And it's awesome to see that they have laid out their plans up to Q3 2022. And, in the grand scheme of things, that's not even a long time. I mean, we're looking at a year down the road, which should be the minimum amount of time you're looking at when making an investment. One of the things I would like to have seen here, I would like to have seen more about the people behind it. No LinkedIn. There is links to Telegram, their Telegram profiles, but it would be good to see who are all the people behind the project, what their experience is, and just a bit of insight into who the people behind the project are. They have the FAQs down here, very, very self-explanatory. And they do have a Telegram and Twitter page, also a Medium page for updates. So that's the website, highly detailed. I do like it. Now, somewhat unusual if you want to get whitelisted and you do have, a time limit in this now. It is done by Gleam. And so Gleam is usually used for competitions. And as you can see, I've already followed them on Twitter, so I've got one entry at least. And it's significant to see here that there is over 103,000 entries already, and there will be 500 whitelist spots on this. So top 100 participants and 400 random winners will get whitelisted. So yeah, that is LPI Finance. I really wish I had got this a couple of weeks ago. I could have done a little bit more research on it, but from what I can see, the website's laid out brilliantly. It's got a lot of information on it. One of the things you find with new projects is very, very scarce on information. I like the plan. I like the idea behind it. It's something we're probably going to see more and more of. We have seen attempts at similar plans in the past that haven't really bared out, but a lot of that is to do with the people behind the project and the community. Now, it seems to me that there is a relatively large community with LPI Finance from what I can see on their Telegram and their Twitter pages. Look, go check them out. You have everything here to find out all you need to know about the project, the pitch deck, the portfolio, Launchpad, and IDO tracking. And just by clicking on the pitch deck alone, let's have a look at this. It's 28 pages long. It tells you all about the project. You know, and it's in much more detail than what I could ever go through here. But yeah, that is LPI Finance. Go check them out. All the links are in the description, what you need. The links to the website, link to the Telegram, and the links to the pitch deck will also be there. Let me know what you think of the project. Hit me up in the comment section below. So before we go, I want to do the cryptocurrency giveaway. I've been meaning to do this for several weeks now. And so we're going to pick 2 winners from each of the last 2 videos. Not many videos gone up recently. You know, it's summertime. And, well, I've been doing other things. And the market is just fucked at the moment. So, you know, sometimes it's good to get a bit of time away from crypto. Anyways, first video we're going to be taking 2 winners from of $25 of the crypto your choice is the crypto update from 3 weeks ago. So we're going to bang that in there now. Paste. Get our comments. We had 220 comments. And the first winner of the $25 in crypto of your choice is Houston Mac. And it is a Divi guy. So Houston, thank you very much for your comment, and we'll get you that $25 in Divi out to you in the next 24 hours or so. So let's pick another winner. Here we go. Xavi Kehaya, and it's another Divi guy. That's awesome, and that'll be another $25 in Divi going to Xavier. And I think we have one more video to pick from yet, and that is the Kick Exchange. Copy the link address there. Bang it in up here. Pick 2 more winners from that video. Ooh, only 72 comments this one. Ooh. And it's another Divi winner. Awesome. Remy Tompkinson. So Remy, you're going to be getting $25 in Divi. That's awesome. It's great to see the Divi winners. They have always been supportive of the channel. And finally, another Divi winner, Carter Walton. $25 in Divi going to you, Carter. So that is it for today's video. If you want to take part in next week's cryptocurrency giveaway, all you got to do is pop your wallet address in the comment section of this video and the crypto of your choice. We give away $25 to 4 random people. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So that about does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what you think of LPI Finance, and don't forget to put your wallet address in it. If you liked today's video, hit the like button. If you didn't like today's video, well, go ahead, fucking hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.